lady. Time to go.
Now Control, drop them now!
I don't think they got the memo about the plot.
Thanks, Control.
Shit! Well, let's just help them clear the street. Sergeant, we'll help you push them back.
Appreciate it, sir.
DB, come on! Clear the street!
Affirmative, Lieutenant. Very up. Order will be restored. Spotted a hostile. You will be set. Attacking!
All units, keep it up! We got this! Mine! Oh shit! Fuck! Fuck! Take it down before it turns these butts!
You will be set.
Got one! Keep firing! I can't stop it! God damn it! I don't like our odds here, man!
Oh, yeah!
Go, go, go! Sit! All right, that's it. What a mess.
Let's just regroup with Marcus and Kate.
About time you two showed up. Glad you're safe.
Baird, we got him. Where do you need us?
Well, at the theater, there was a group of evacuees there. Lost contact with them an hour ago.
Okay, we'll round them up and get them to safety. And Baird, if anyone calls for reinforcements, don't do it.
Roger that, but there's a lot already out there.
Understood, Control. We'll keep an eye out. No one back here. Let's check the stage. Hey, you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Just a headache.
Okay, let's go. Damn it. Nothing.
If people were here, where'd they all go?
Maybe they got out.
Let's get that curtain open.
Okay, let's try this one.
Guys, we got a problem.
A corrupted DR1? That can't be good.
Look behind it. The evacuees. They're all dead.
Let's just stay quiet and try to get out of here.
Oh, God damn it! Kill that thing! Throwing frag!
God damn it, here they come!
Damn it!
They're up on the balcony! Frag out!
Watch it! Whatever doesn't kill you, right? Hey, watch
It's done. Let's just get out of here. Find the others.
Hey, think we can exit stage right.
Baird. Theater evacuees didn't make it. Cole, Foz, the Carmines, what's their status?
Lizzie made it back to her convoy, but she keeps getting rerouted. Clay found a Raven out, but I can't reach Cole or Foz. You heard from them?
No, not yet. But we'll keep looking.
Holy shit.
Delta, where are you? Command just called it. Pull out. Evacuation's over.
Control, it's Delta. You're breaking up. We're at the theater. Say again?
You gotta get out of there, kid. They're letting the settlement go.
Wait, can't we use the Hammer of Dawn?
Not when I can't target the damn thing. Just fall back to the main gate.
Baird, we're stuck on the other side of town.
Phoenix, Lizzie here. You're at the theater?
Lizzie, thank God. Affirmative.
I've been diverted like 6 times. I can pick you up. Coming your way now.
We'll be here. Delta out.
In here, come on!
Hey! Whoa, 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 it's us!
We, brought company.
Get down!
That's the bastard that shot down our Raven!
What? How can you tell?
Gold Tree never forgets a face!
So where do we shoot these things?
Target the blisters!
Stay in cover!
What down! Excuse me a second! I'll be right back!
Cole! Where are you going?
I said I'll be right back!
Where the hell is Cole?
He's getting ice cream! I have no idea! Keep fighting! Now bleed!
Oh, look at me, baby! I told you! I'll be right back! It's dinner time, bitch!
No! Are you nuts?
Always! But now it's got a mouthful of boo!
So, Dal, see any friendly faces you recognize? Maybe that's the peaceful protester who broke my nose.
You deserve worse than a broken nose.
Why don't you show me what I deserve? Stop! Enough of this shit!
You're a goddamn coward! A coward? Wow. Well, have I got news for you?
Pause. Don't.
Guess who ordered the first shot, Del? Directly into those peaceful protesters of yours. Yeah, that's right. Lieutenant Pedigree there.
Guys. Come on, guys. Look, I mean, they were throwing incendiary... The whole thing was confusing, all right? I didn't mean to have it happen. Never mind.
Cavalry's here!
Look, we can discuss this later. Come on.
Double time it! I need to get these people out of here! Shit, we're blocked! On trucks! Back up! Back up!
Barrett, we're gonna lose the convoy. We need the hammer.
What now?
It's ready to fire, right?
Kid, I don't even have the coordinates.
Well, use me.
Are you nuts?
Maybe. Just track my armor and offset.
No, I'm not doing that.
Too bad, Barrett. We don't have a choice.
at work. Barrett! Barrett!
I can't control the... Iris, shut it down! Shut it down! God damn it!
Just run!
Oh no.
Damn it, get out of there!
I got you! I got you!
Let's get this done! We're on a short string here!
Kate! Should we bring him along?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
All right, come on. So what's your issue with Jack anyway?
Besides spending half my life hiding from Cogbots? No issue.
See? I told you it's not you, it's her.
Oh yeah, that's lovely. It's your headache again, isn't it?
No, I'm fine.
He's not gonna listen to you.
How about you let him decide that?
Hey, it's her.
At a funeral.
Can't come here with cog weapons. Hand them over.
You know who my father was, right? Who my mother was?
And yet, you're the one in cog armor. Go figure.
Man, we're not giving you shit.
Just do what they say.
Fine.
You can pick these up on the way out.
I'm through.
He's out back by the steam farm. Try not to cause any trouble.
That's up to him.
You know, we've convinced a lot of outsiders to come over to the COG and fight, but I got a feeling this nut's gonna be a little tougher to crack.
Yeah, I have the same feeling. Fresh fish, yeah. And I'm really happy to be here.
Hey, wow, it's the COG! Welcome! Now get the hell out. Come on, Boyd. I can't stand to look at him.
Hey, Ka, want a whiff of this? Stinks almost as bad as you. Wasn't that funny?
Die, fascist, die! I got it! I got the fascist!
So, maybe. No, that's not gonna work.
You know, part
Mobile
of me
core's
still
shot.
enjoys seeing them all
So can you get it
broken
running?
Actuator's okay, so maybe.
What about the muscle wires?
That's not the problem. Just let me think a minute.
How hard to control are these things anyway?
Meh, not too bad. Kind of like a loader, except, you know, armed.
Never driven a loader before.
No? It takes some getting used to. Feels pointless, but it's not. You gotta learn not to. Couple.
Yeah. Well, tell me about your hand.
You know. Face it, you ain't met Mr. or Mrs. Right yet.
Carrying his water.
Not
Why do
this
you
phone
think
here.
Norsko and Lena went north?
Because they're cowards?
Okay, that's it. I'm done.
Oh, shit.
These guys don't stand a chance alone. We've got to convince them to join us.
Are you serious? Jen joined the COG?
What? You never
No one
thought
told
about
me you
it?
ran out.
If you could wait until next week.
COG! Chief's through these doors, down by the steam farm. Okay, go on in.
Where's your friend? And your bot? You and your bot are here. Where's your friend? Hang on. I'll let you through. Steam farm's down the hill. Can't miss it.
Free energy, they say.
No, stop.
Yeah!
Shit, you okay?
I'm okay, I'm okay. Nobody get close. Steam will burn your skin clean off.
Apparently these things and electric shocks don't mix.
Now how am I gonna fix it?
Thanks. Could have fixed that myself, you know.
Wait a second.
Probably.
This is a
Hey.
clock scanner.
For the record.
These
Doesn't
sneaky
mean
bastards.
Over here! Ha ha! The fascists are coming! The fascists are coming! Mom! Come look! It's the fascists!
Mason! We don't call them that to their face. Get inside.
Why? Being a fascist bad?
DBs are the reason my old man left the COG back in the day. Didn't trust him.
I recognize this wagon. Wonder where the stables are.
Well, as I live and breathe. This is Chuz.
Be alone.
Hey, how you doing? They feeding you enough?
But
Mm-hmm.
maybe I do.
I'm gonna come back and talk more, okay? Man, I missed that.
Talking to a goddamn horse.
She did. I don't have the tools because she took those too. A professional never blames her tools. I'm not blaming my tools. I'm blaming Lena. Calm down, breathe, think it through. All right. It just pisses me off.
Hey, you okay?
Yeah, let's just get to the steam farm.
Okay. So they got this whole place running on geothermal?
Huh, looks that way.
Makes sense, but that's a lot of drilling.
Guessing the giant worm did most of the work there.
Hey! We're looking for the chief. Old guy, smells like beer. You seen him?
Kate.
Uncle.
A lot of cogs been out here to make their pitch. Never imagined they'd send you.
Guess they thought you'd hear me out.
And what do you think?
I think you need a new decorator.
He's supposed to keep them away.
How's that working out for you?
Nah, not too well. It's good to see you again, Kate.
You too, Uncle. Now go pack up. You're leaving.
Am I?
Look, man, we've convinced every other village to enlist. You're the last holdouts. Cog, outsider, look, it doesn't matter. It's time to fight these things together.
No. It's time we end this conversation. I'm sorry, young ones. You can find your way out.
Uncle! My mother's dead because she thought we could make it alone. So go ahead, send us away. But if you do, I'll be back. To bury whatever's left of you and the people behind these walls. And I think you know it.
Shit.
How often do they attack?
Lately, every day.
They do that every day?
No, they don't. Come on.
Uncle, we're gonna need more ammo than this.
Grab what you can find. Until then, use knives, fists, anything you got. They breached the lower wall. Help me clear them out. Okay, stay! More of them coming in.
This'll work.
Hog. We owe ya.
They picked the wrong goddamn name for this shit! We got him on the run! Keep it up! I got him!
It's coming! It's coming!
Zion!
Now we're talking.
We're gonna need more ammo than this!
Grab what you can find! Until then, use knives, fish, anything you got! They breached the lower wall! Help me clear them out! Kane, down! More of them coming in!
This'll work.
Now we're talking.
They picked the wrong goddamn day for this shit!
I'm here for you, young one.
Got him on the run! Keep it up!
It's coming! It's coming!
Zion! Come on! Before we lose any more!
Oscar, you gotta come with us, man. Your people don't deserve this.
They're clawing at the door! Grab that shock trap! Got an idea! Hold that shit hard, you sons of bitches! Let's go! Look out, young ones! More swarm ahead!
One more time! Let's clear them out!
Target down!
Moving!
It's got me! Help!
It's opening fire!
What the fuck is that?
Go! Goddammit!
Stop! Get to cover!
Destroy him before it kills anyone else! Why don't you try to flank it?
Almost down.
No time for rest! We gotta finish this!
I think that's all of them. Uncle, we clear?
Yeah, but not sure it matters. Gonna take us months to recover from this.
That's all the more reason you should come with us.
There's still more village to save. Come on.
Yeah, this'll work. Thanks, Jack. Let's go!
Stop her!
Perfect! Sweet!
Bert! We're here! What do you need?
They got a group boxed in, Chief! By the workshop!
Young one! We gotta back them up!
Perfect!
Let's do this.
We're here. What do you need?
We have a silverback, but the only one who can drive it got dragged off.
Just what I need.
How hard can it be? That is awesome.
We got zombies! Lay into them with that thing!
All right, garage is clear.
You got one! Don't let him! Cover me!
Don't mess with outsiders!
Check your aid!
Okay, infirmary secure.
Never thought I'd say this. Thanks, Cog.
Corporal Diaz, Lieutenant Walker. What a lovely day we're not having. The evac convoy's here, but it's getting hammered outside the
We're on our way.
More swarm coming in! We can't help your convoy until this village is clear!
It's dead!
Uncle, that's it. You're down.
Good, let's get out there and help your convoy.
Come on, let's get out there!
Oh, shit!
What is this?
You are meant for this. Do not be afraid.
Do not let it get away! No! Kate's inside! Just keep her from getting away!
Again.
Let's not hit the wall!
Get out of my head! Let me go!
Feel them. Use them. Again. Embrace this.
I can't stop it!
It's over here!
Uncle.
Kate!
Kate.
No.
Kate, you can't see this. You don't want to see this.
Kate? I'm sorry.
Thanks, JD, for coming here.
Of course.
Can I recommend we maybe get these people out of here?
Hey, just slow down.
No, Foz is right. We need to move.
What are you talking? Oscar's dead, man. Give her a minute.
She'll get her minute in the Raven.
What the hell is wrong with you?
Del, we need to leave.
I'm not going.
Excuse me?
For months now, I've been having these dreams. Nightmares. But I think they were messages.
What?
Something's happening to me.
It's your grandmother's?
Enough. We'll deal with this later. Foz, round these people up.
I need help.
There's a place up north. I think we can find you answers there.
No. Absolutely not. We have orders.
You'll go with me.
God damn it, both of you, listen.
I'll go with her. Look, if you're missing, Jen will notice.
Okay. I'll push Jack the coordinates.
No, Corporal. You are coming back to New Afira. That is a direct order.
Well, Captain, screw your order. This isn't about you, it's about me. I need to fix this.
Hey, watch her. Her necklace? That's a locust symbol.
Yeah, so?
She would never be our enemy by choice. I know that.
Because she would die for us.
I know that. But what if it's not her choice?
Well, it's just us now. So what's in here anyway?
A fast way out of this fucking place.
Hey, if you want some time, you know, you don't have to leave right away.